Out with the old and in with the new. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of our new area rug. I am in love with this rug. This particular rug is 8 by 10, and you can tell it is perfect for our living room. I love the color of this. I feel like the photo doesn't do this justice. This video definitely shows you how vibrant and cool these colors are. Let me give you a little bit of an up close view. Hi, Miss Memphis. Memphis says, I love this rug so much. This is my rug and I love it. So you can see here, it has the black with a little bit of speckly gray. Then it goes into this little darker gray. Then there's like this whitish tan color with a little bit of gray speckle. Then we get into the blue, which I didn't realize this when I first got it, but I love how this looks. It has like a little bit of black speckle in it, and then back to gray, and then back to, well, you kind of get the idea of what I'm talking about, but you can see how vibrant these colors are. Don't mind the dog hair. This is a lived-in house. We do vacuum every day, but it is the evening when I'm filming this, which means the dogs have been pretty much laying on this rug all day. Now I'm going to put my fingers here so you can kind of see it's not like a ridiculously plush rug, but it is plush enough for us. It is nice and soft. You can see here it does have the nice edge, and when you look down here you can kind of see the thickness of the pile on this. Not super thick, perfect for us. This is exactly what we wanted. The rugs that are super thick tend to hold a lot more dog hair. When they're not as thick and they're kind of like this, we can get the dog hair off of them easier. So I am in love with it. We have had it in our house now for about 3 weeks as of the time I'm filming this, and I honestly could not be happier with it. I love the color. I love the way it feels. When we put it down, it took about 3 or 4 days for it to flatten out completely. It comes rolled, so you will see some creases in it, but like even from when we rolled it out to now, you can tell that there's no more creases in it. I love it. It's beautiful. I love the color. If you're looking for a beautiful rug for your house, I recommend this. This is great. I love it. I may have to buy a second one so that if I do end up replacing this someday, I'll have the exact same rug. This is a win.